Hi friends, in today's video we are going to talk about one of the most important aspect that we might ignore or not consider as important as other learnings or other procedures that we have to do in our practice while doing our patients. The thing is that we mostly ignore the sterilization or the disinfection of our dental instruments or the instruments that are being used in the oral cavities of our patients. The thing that we should consider is that any procedure, whether it is preventive, restorative, or any endodontic procedure or the surgical procedures, we must disinfect or sterilize our instrument. Why for our preventive or restorative procedures? Since we consider sterilization as mostly for the surgical procedures that our instrument will encounter blood and we cannot use in other patients our instruments, so we should sterilize those instruments. But even for the preventive or the restorative or endodontic procedures, we should disinfect or sterilize our instruments, because any instrument that is being carried into the oral cavity that might contain the bacteria that may over a period of time infiltrate the tissues that have been exposed, and this may lead to failure of your preventive or the restorative procedures over a period of time. Even how good you have achieved the restoration to the most uh, authentic and the most considerate way, but still that restoration may lead to the secondary caries or may lead to failures, because the infection from the microbial contamination may lead into the pulp tissue, may lead into the soft tissues that have been exposed when there is any exposure to the soft tissue site or any thing that may happen. So it is better to sterilize, disinfect your instruments, and this will help you to be on the safer side and to be more considerate for your patients. So please remember this thing, that we should, it's our duty that we should sterilize, autoclave, or even the disinfect, even go for the disinfection of our dental instruments which are being used in the oral cavity. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.